Guys, hello guys. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how my creative mode is like. My island, kind of. And I wish you guys enjoy. I have a cool island, terrible island, kindish. I made an obstacle course. That's the one I'm gonna be showing you. My other island, I just did build battles. Nothing cool to see there. And let's just start it. If you're new, you haven't watched my videos, go watch them all. If you're new here, subscribe and build that bloody like button because, yeah. And if you guys want me to do challenges, tell me in the comment down below. And if you guys want to record like me, you guys could go in the descriptions. You guys could see what I'm recording with. It's kind of okay, kind of not. I could say it's okay, I use it, so yeah. If you guys want to record, do that. And I wish you guys enjoy. Yes, and tell your friends to watch my videos. I'm not a famous person right now. I feel like they'll do so, yes. Yeah, I'm eating popcorn, if you're thinking what I'm eating. Yeah, let me go to my island. Yeah, right. Okay. Oh, thank you. So this is my whole place. I have built the biggest maze in the world, so yes, you're welcome. I did. So if you guys see, my obstacle course starts from here. You have to basically dodge all of these that give you 5 damage. Now you're not allowed to fly like I am in my obstacle course, because if you do, that's kind of cheating. So yes, we're not allowed. After this is the one I actually hate myself, but I like people just getting like annoyed. You have to go here and then just, yes, that's how you do it. This one you basically have to jump and then you have to make it. It actually does work. I've seen people use them, so yes, it's not my own. You could just close the door, open the door, try like that. But if you get launched off, go back to here, because you're not done yet. Then you have to go up on all of these. Okay, right? And then here's another one. Oh, geez, I just, I'm sorry. Okay. And you have to go like, oh, dang it keeps doing that for some reason. I don't know why. But you saw me do it last time, right? Oh, dang, it's so close. So basically you have to kind of go like on the side-ish thing. So I'll show you, look. So you could kind of go from here and then like that. Oh, Jesus Christ. You have to kind of make it like you go far and then it if you do like jump here and then just do this, yeah, that will make you fly. So yes, but you're not allowed to fly. So don't mess up. Go here, jump to the side. Oh, dang it. I hit it too fast. I should have not hit it too fast. Let's try that again. Boom, bam. Oh, dang it. You guys are just gonna see a noob trying to do an obstacle course. I'm basically trying to do my own obstacle course. That's why it's kind of sad. I can't finish my own obstacle course. It's just really, really sad. Whatever. I made it. Yay. Okay. And this other one, you can't see those. That's where you get tricked. And then you have to slide all the way down. That's what I'm not gonna do, because I'm a baby. You go up here after 10 million years, you reach up there. And here's the biggest maze. You might be like, not the biggest maze I've ever seen. But I'll show you what I mean about the biggest maze. I don't know which way to go. Don't tell your friends this is the way to go. So yes, I already do. It's over. And there's another maze here. That's a cool thing. And you have to keep going. Yeah, so fun. Here's the other part, and then another one. This one's kind of like open, kind of some places messed up. I'm actually gonna fix that. That's not supposed to be how it's supposed to be. What am I saying? I do not know English. I am doo-doo at this game. Okay, so kind of you have to go here, here. I actually forgot where to go from here this time. I feel like it's that way. Yes, I think so. And then you have to keep going. It's a big maze, really big maze. You could see the bottom. Oh yeah, here. Then it's kind of you already like won already, so you could just do like friend battles. Yeah. Yes, there's not supposed to be two chests. Yes, I think I messed up on that right there. Let's put it right there. F, I don't want it. F, okay. And if you open the chest, it will actually give you snipers, so you guys could battle each other. It's like a sniper shootout. You guys have so much ammo, gives so much ammo, so you guys be like sniping each other. But you guys can't break anything, so it's kind of like easy for me. So yes, and you guys have deagles and everything. And if you get hurt, you guys just use the chug chug that most people are gonna use, because after though you get hit by those, you do not want to get hit by those anyway. And all this stuff is like a sniper shootout. That's what I'm not good with. You could hit it, you could boom bam, bada boom boom, bam boom boom. Oh my gosh! I just destroyed that kid's face. I'm just joking. I did not. I'm trash at snipers. And I'm just gonna fix this right now, so I'm gonna be throwing all these away. I think I hit something, did I? No, I'm trash at sniping. Let me make you build, okay? I'm gonna try to make this. This is also a really cool thing I actually learned when playing. I am actually trash at this. Oh my gosh. I am sorry I'm that trash. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. God help me on this. Oh my gosh, why do you have to fly, you doo-doo? Like, can you stop flying? It's not nice to fly on kids' faces. It's like, haha, I'm Superman, go by. Okay. But the cool thing is, this thing I learned, that this is really cool. So think this, you might be like, how are you gonna kill people with this? Obviously I am, because I have a trick here. And this is how you kill people, and they cannot kill you. You can kill them, but they can't. The cool thing is, look at that. You might be like, what's so cool about that? But that's not the cool thing. You have to hit it, and you might be like, oh wait, that's on the other side. You can't shoot from anywhere, but look. A little hole you could shoot through. Like, think that's the wall? Or if you're terrible like me, yes, but I don't think so anybody's that terrible like I am. I'm sorry, I'm the one trying to trash talk to you guys right now. Sorry. Right. I think I just messed up. If it just works finally. Good and well. If that works, yes. And I think you're allowed to snipe through it, right? I think so. Oh yes. Now that's how you snipe. Woo! You could even shoot with the deagle. Let's try that again. Yeah. If you guys have known this, please tell me. Because I'm just showing to like people and they're like, oh my gosh, that's actually really hard to shoot with a deagle. But I think with any other gun you're allowed to. I think so. It's just like snipers only kind of. Or no. I'm the one that I think you could shoot through these, but I'm just the one trash that can't do it. Why is it not working? I think it's supposed to be working right now. I am sure it is. Oh yes, got it. And of course on this you're allowed to shoot through. But on a Deagle, I don't understand. I don't understand it. Oh yes, you are. So I'm just gonna make it like a twice. I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh, just ate a. Yes, a lot of time of editing that I didn't even have to do. Yes, I did not even have to do that at all. I'm gonna make a big place so you guys actually see you could break stuff from this. And glitch, I could say. It's not a glitch, it's basically a build you could do, like, kind of really cool, gotta say. Gotta say, really cool. I'm gonna be building a massive thing I could show you guys. Like, if you guys get that snipe, that's just OP. That's like, if you get that kind of snipe, that's just really cool. And I'm just gonna be building stuff. Yes, I'm gonna be building stairs. If you could shoot these things, then I'm gonna be building those. Building those, building those, building those, building those. And go back to my place, because yes, I have to go back to my place. Go shoot that out. Shoot that out. You don't have to shoot that out. You know what I mean. Wait. I am a terrible jokester, so yay. I'm trying to do it here. Okay. Can I shoot through this? Oh my gosh, it actually works. Does it work with a deagle on this one? Oh no, honey. Please don't fail on me this. Don't fail me this on. Don't just fail me this on this. Yes, I'm gonna be going down again. Because I don't want to break the wall, so yes, I don't. Oh my gosh, you stupid thing. So I guess gotta make it like higher, kind of. Yeah, let me try that, make it higher. You know what I mean? High. Not that kind of high. Kids do not become high. I'm just telling you. Oh my gosh. Oh, dang, I'm building. I'm a god at building, brother. You see me how much I build that fast? Dang, I'm a god. I actually want all of this to be attached to one thing, so I'm gonna be breaking these. Ugh, 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 ugh. Oh jeez, no. You don't like my face. Okay. Let me go back. I don't have time. There's only 15 minutes. Go, you doodle. Why did you have to do this? I just want to show you can work with the Deagle. Oh! If you guys like my channel, about that bloody like button. And if you guys like all of this, tell your friends to watch this and all these things. Yes, it's ending fast. Doodle. Just make it happen. Make it happen. Oh no, honey. Just help me, honey. Um. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed, belt that bloody like button, and we'll see you on the next time. Bye.